Drone technology usually conjures images of carbon fiber airframes, advanced electronics, and high-performance aerospace materials. But a recent experiment in China is exploring something far older and far more natural: bamboo. Researchers in China have successfully tested a fixed-wing drone built using bamboo fiber composite materials. The aircraft has a wingspan of about 2.5 meters, roughly 8 feet, and weighs approximately 7 kilograms, placing it within the size category commonly used for mapping, surveying, and surveillance drones. Unlike conventional UAV structures that rely heavily on carbon fiber composites, this prototype integrates bamboo fibers into its structural materials. Bamboo is one of the fastest-growing renewable resources on Earth, and when processed into composite fabrics, it can offer strong mechanical properties while reducing manufacturing cost and environmental impact. According to the research team, bamboo fiber composite cloth can cost roughly a quarter of the price of carbon fiber cloth, which means structural materials for small drones could become significantly cheaper to produce. This economic advantage is particularly relevant for applications where large fleets of lightweight drones are required. During its initial flight tests, the bamboo drone demonstrated stable flight and reached speeds exceeding 100 kilometers per hour. That level of performance is comparable to many lightweight fixed-wing UAVs currently used for environmental monitoring, aerial photography, and geographic surveying. The project was developed through collaboration between several Chinese institutions, including the International Center for Bamboo and Rattan in Beijing, Beihang University's Ningbo Institute of Technology, and Long Bamboo Technology Group. Their goal is not simply to build a single prototype, but to explore how renewable plant-based composites could be integrated into future engineering systems. Carbon fiber has long been the dominant material in aerospace structures because of its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. However, it is expensive to produce, energy-intensive to manufacture, and difficult to recycle. Bamboo composites present an intriguing alternative that could reduce cost and environmental footprint while maintaining useful mechanical performance. Still, important engineering questions remain. Natural fibers can be sensitive to moisture, temperature changes, and long-term fatigue. Aerospace materials must withstand repeated stresses, environmental exposure, and strict safety requirements. Further testing will determine whether bamboo composites can meet these durability standards. If successful, this approach could influence not only drone manufacturing but a wider range of lightweight structures. Renewable fiber composites could eventually appear in marine equipment, consumer vehicles, sporting equipment, and potentially certain aerospace components where sustainability and cost reduction are priorities. The experiment also reflects a broader trend in material science. Engineers are increasingly exploring bio-based composites that combine natural fibers with modern manufacturing techniques. The goal is to balance performance, cost, and environmental impact in next-generation engineering materials. In that sense, this bamboo drone is more than a novelty experiment. It represents a small but meaningful test of how traditional materials might evolve through modern engineering. If you want serious, data-driven breakdowns of emerging technologies shaping aerospace, robotics, and advanced materials, subscribe now and turn on notifications, because sometimes the future of engineering begins with rethinking the materials we have known for centuries.